Most people think their retirement is safe until the market crashes. John Dawson was one of them, a retired engineer in Mesa, Arizona with $780,000 in a traditional 401k. Stocks, mutual funds, a sprinkle of bonds. You know, the classic retirement formula. But in 2022, when the market nosedived, John watched over $130,000 vanish in weeks. And what made it worse? Nobody warned him this could happen. And he's not alone. Just last week, Reuters reported that over 56% of Americans nearing retirement are now worried their portfolios are too stock-heavy. And with inflation still hammering purchasing power and talk of more interest rate hikes from the Fed, the old playbook isn't working. So what did John do next? We'll get to that. But first, let's talk about the pitfall that catches way too many retirees off guard. See, the traditional 60-40 stock bond portfolio was designed decades ago, in a totally different economy. Back when pensions were common, interest rates were stable, and the dollar wasn't losing value like it is now. Fast forward to today, the dollar has lost over 17% of its purchasing power in just the last 5 years. Banks are shuttering branches, and more Americans are working past 67 than ever before. The harsh truth? A stock-only retirement strategy is like walking a tightrope without a net. Now here's where John's story gets interesting. After his losses, he didn't panic. He got curious, and after some research and a few conversations, he did something bold. He rolled over $300,000 of his 401k into a Gold IRA. Why gold? Because it's real. It doesn't vanish in a flash crash. It doesn't get inflated away. It's been trusted for thousands of years to preserve wealth, especially when fiat currencies falter. And get this. Since making the move, John says he finally sleeps well at night. He knows that even if Wall Street gets shaky, a portion of his retirement is anchored in something tangible. And it all started with one simple thing. He requested the free Gold IRA guide from the link below. Look, if you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, and you're worried about where this economy is headed, you owe it to yourself to get educated. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, no free silver if you buy now nonsense. Just a short, one-on-one call with a real specialist who'll walk you through the pros, the cons, and whether this kind of diversification is right for you. Because let's face it, you worked decades to build your nest egg. You shouldn't have to gamble it all on the stock market. You don't want to be the person saying, I wish I had done something sooner. Be the one who says, I'm glad I protected what I've built. So go ahead, click the link, get your free guide, and take the first step toward real peace of mind. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about staying retired.